Apple today introduced Vision Pro with its support for over 600 apps. Apple's recent foray into the world of mixed reality, the Vision Pro has sparked both excitement and debate. This high end headset boasts cutting edge features, but its hefty price tag of $3,499 has left many wondering if it's worth the investment. On the one hand, the Vision Pro's technical achievements are undeniable. Its high resolution display delivers stunning visuals, while the advanced hand and eye tracking technology allows for in- intuitive and natural interactions within the headset. These features have the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers, making them more immersive and engaging than ever before. However, the Vision Pro also comes with its fair share of limitations. The headset is heavy and uncomfortable to wear for extended periods, and the video pass through, which allows users to see the real world around them, is not perfect. Additionally, the high price point puts the device out of reach for many potential buyers. So, is the Apple Vision Pro worth the hype? It depends on your perspective. If you are if you are a die-hard Apple fan or developer looking to push the boundaries, then the Vision Pro may be considered worthy. But for casual users, the drawbacks may outweigh the benefits. Ultimately, the Vision Pro is a glimpse into the future of computing. It's a powerful device with the potential to change the way we interact with the world around us. But whether it lives up to its promise remains to be seen. If you ask me, having a first generation Apple product is good. I mean, the first iPhone, which was sealed, by the way, sold for $40,000, which was bought by MKBHD. But I don't think the VR holds that much value now, but it will in the future for sure. Also, Apple Vision Pro is different from its competitors. Vision Pro will hold future market value, which all Apple products do. After a quick research, I found that in 2025 the Vision Pro will be worth a whopping $2,500, while the Quest 3 will be worth only $250. The Apple Vision Pro's displays are quite simply better. Apple boasts micro OLED displays with a resolution of 24 megapixel, which translates to approximately 4K resolution. The Meta Quest 3 has the faster display at 120Hz versus Apple's 90Hz, but the micro OLED displays win out on resolutions by a fairly hefty margin. Apple Vision Pro features an ultra high resolution display system that packs 23 million pixels across two displays, more than a 4K TV for each eye, and the brand new R1 chip for a virtually lag free real time view of the world. So, would you buy it? And this has been it. My name is Rayan, and you were watching Isocover. Peace.